Okay, pre-K, we're going to do our alphabet slides with our 5 letters that we've done so far. And you're just going to repeat after me like we've been doing. A, apple, alligator, a, a, M, milk, map, M, P, pencil, puppy, P, S, snake, sun, S, T, turtle, Texas, T. All right, good job, guys. Those were our 5 letters. And for your assignment that I want you to do is you're going to get a piece of paper out, and I want you to write each one of these letters, A, M, P, S, and T. And then I want you to draw a picture underneath the letter of something that starts with that sound. So if I was going to do T, I would draw a T on my paper, and then underneath it right here, I would draw, what would I draw? Something that starts with a T. Well, turtle, Texas, those both start with T. Can you think of anything else? You can draw one of those if you would like to, or you can think of something else that starts with a T. Let's see. I would do a teapot. I would do a teapot. Teapot. But you can do anything that you can think of that starts with a T sound. It could even be one of these, a Texas. That's kind of hard to draw, but you could do a Texas flag maybe, or a turtle, or any other word that you can think of. And then you're going to do that for S, M, P, A, and then also T. Okay, so, and I want to see those pictures when you are finished. See y'all later.